This is JOMA Ask JOMA, the series where I ask our JOMA team your questions, my questions. My name is Mackenzie. This is Billy Brown, a project manager at JOMA Construction. What do you think the biggest surprise is for a customer throughout the build?
The biggest thing is probably decisions. They don't realize until they get into it how many decisions they have to make and how quickly they have to do it sometimes.
Yeah.
And that can be stressful because there's a lot of money involved, and it just takes... There's so many selections online too is the biggest issue, I believe.
So they can search anywhere online, basically.
Yes, correct.
That seems like too many choices.
It is, and that's what the stressful thing is, because there's so many to choose from, and they have these visions that they want to incorporate in their house, but it's hard to narrow it down.
Yeah.
So it can be stressful, but it can be fun for them as well too.
What's your favorite part of a build? Your personal favorite?
Probably seeing their visions and their ideas come together towards the end of the project, because everybody's different, and so everybody has a different idea. So seeing their visions come through at the end is really, truly an amazing part to me.
Go on JOMAConstruction.com right now to download the top 5 questions where I go ahead and answer the biggest questions that customers have actually asked us. You can also ask your own question. If you find this video on our blog, scroll down and you can send your question directly to me, or just email me at mackenzie@jomaconstruction.com. Any questions, we'll get them answered. We'll ask Billy, we'll ask the rest of the team. I'll see you again for the next JOMA Ask JOMA.
Great.
We're done?
Cool.
Should we do some cool stuff like
some bro hugs or something?
Yeah. No. Awesome.